abandoned Trackhawk right here. Oh, nice clean Trackhawk. SRT. The wheels looking perfect. And you got the brakes on there. Logo. I like every last bit of this. Oh yeah. I don't know how they abandoned this car. Ain't got the logo in the back. The exhaust. Sits in the back right here. Nothing wrong with the car. Probably a few scratches. You ain't got the stripes on here? Oh yeah. You know I had to put everything on track. 100%. Don't hop on no Trackhawk, you're not gonna put everything on track. I'm driving track every time I get in this car. No matter what. Preparing a race. I got the symbols and everything. Bro, I'm obsessed with this Trackhawk, bro. Black material. The only problem I would say about the Trackhawk, bro, and there's T's, Jeeps, and Hellcats, bro, and Demon Red Eyes, bro. I'm not trying to wake up with my car stolen. So that's one thing I will not do. But other than that, Trackhawk sound great. I'm about to rev it in a little bit. Hold on. You hear it crying right now, bro. Obsessed with Trackhawks, bro. Alright, bro. Please like, subscribe, comment below what kind of car I should do next. This Trackhawk beat every last car I ever video. On the back seat. This back seat's so dirty. Oh, I like it. The peanut butter seats, bro. I'm obsessed already, bro. Man, subscribe, bro.